Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Inspiron battery isn't charging, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can be quite frustrating. This problem may arise due to a faulty battery, a damaged charging port, or even a software glitch. If left unresolved, it can lead to a complete inability to use your laptop without being tethered to a power source, significantly affecting your productivity. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools and materials. Ensure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery compatible with your Dell Inspiron. Now, let's get started with the repair process. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Next, place your device on a flat surface and locate the screws on the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic prying tool to gently lift the bottom panel away from the laptop. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips. With the bottom panel removed, you should now see the internal components of your laptop. The battery is typically located near the center of the device and is easily identifiable. Carefully disconnect the battery by gently pulling on the connector clip. Make sure to use a soft touch to avoid damaging nearby components. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws holding it in place. Take note of the type of screws used, as they may vary in size. Apply gentle pressure when removing the battery to ensure that it comes out smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before replacing the bottom panel, double-check that everything looks secure and that no cables are pinched. Once satisfied, replace the bottom panel and reinsert the screws to secure it back in place. Lastly, plug your laptop back in and power it on to check if the battery is now charging correctly. If you notice any issues, it may be wise to consult a professional. To help prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to keep your laptop updated with the latest software and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Additionally, regularly check the charging port for any debris or damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.